All right, guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So this video is more so an introduction to a business model. A really popular business model in the last couple of years has been drop shipping. And drop shipping is something that allows you an easier barrier of entry to start your own business. So in order to properly drop ship, I need you guys to first understand the different forms of business marketing and how to do those different forms of business marketing. Also understanding the pros and the cons of the different ways to do marketing for your business. So as I kind of explain here, it's important to understand these methods and knowing which business model to choose based off of your choices, right? So we're not going to dive into these other segments, but you can look at these and get a brief understanding of the different ways that you can start a business. There's some really popular ways for making, manufacturing, wholesaling, drop shipping, Amazon FBA, and affiliate marketing. Today, this video is going to cover drop shipping. So I'm not going to go too deep into drop shipping. I'm just going to show you real quick the pros and the cons, and I'm going to show you how it works on the back end of your new Shopify store. So the pros of drop shipping, as you see here, one of the pros is the low startup costs. It's easier barrier of entry. You do not have to purchase products, and you avoid taking a lot of the risk from selling items because they're not stacked up in your garage. The streamline of sales. You get to find a dropship partner who would allow you to pick from their selection of products. They will package it for you. You have to request certain specifics with your dropshipper, making sure that they don't send any type of return address, or if they do, you may need to create a P.O. box. So the P.O. box would be the return address if somebody didn't like or want the products that they received. And it's just some other little, tidbits that you would need to research. We do have a dropshipping course available that, but it is available for purchase. Like I said, this is just a quick introduction of giving you the basics and understanding of dropshipping. The cons of dropshipping: it is high competition because dropshipping has such a low barrier of entry. A lot of people are doing it, which makes the competition really stiff, and it is harder to set yourself apart from the crowd. That's why it's extremely important having a customized theme. Right? When having a customized theme or a unique theme, people are going to come to your store and automatically feel like you've invested into your brand, so they don't mind investing into you. Right? So another con for drop shipping is the very, very low margins. When you're drop shipping, is not really a lot of margins depending on the product. So if you're selling something like eyelashes, or you're selling something, let's say eyelashes, the margins are really low because if you're getting eyelashes for, let's say, $2 and you're selling them for $12, right? So you're selling them for $12 and your goal is to make, let's say, $1,000 a month selling eyelashes. So let's just do the math on that. If I'm buying the products for $2 and I'm selling it for $10, in order for me to make $1,000, I have to sell 100 pair of eyelashes every month just to make $1,000. So in order to make $3,000, you got to sell 300 pair of eyelashes every month to make $3,000 selling something with a low profit margin. Also, some other disadvantages is products being on back order because you're relying on someone else's inventory. So that's some of the problems with that. So like I said, I'm not gonna go too deep into showing you guys this. I go deeper into this and how to have a profitable drop shipping store in our Coolest University Ever course. So here's the back office of one of my clients' stores. So the app that's most popular in the drop shipping industry is called Oberlo. All right, so what you're going to do is go to the App Store, just like you would on your iPhone, how you go to an app store. You download this app, Oberlo. You go to Oberlo and it shows you a back-end dashboard. And it shows you your dashboard to your particular store. And it shows you your sales, what people are buying, your earnings, etc. Right? So I'm going to go to search products. You can go to manage products. If I click manage, all right, it's basically showing me the back office of an AliExpress. So if you have a drop shipper partnership with another with a drop shipping company, let them know that you have a Shopify store and you want to connect your Oberlo account with their store, right? And they'll give you their user ID or whatever information needed for you to go to their store, and you can search their business ID. So if they have a name and their company is Zhang Wang Z, right? You would search that person and you would pull up their business account, and then you can import products from them directly to your store. So here's my import list for this particular client. I just click on import list here. All right. So when you import all these products to the store, I'm going to give you guys a pro tip, right? Make sure you edit the descriptions on the title. You don't want this to be on your store and it shows your title, wholesale, 3D mink, false eyelashes, 20, white. You need to, once you import this, well, you can change the titles and then import it, or you can import them and then change the titles after. It's going to be faster if you change the titles here, right? So all I have to do is click import to store, and it'll import this product, and it also imports the variants, right? So then if I click my products, this is the price that I have on my website. As you see, this back office, this customer is selling, the cost for this is $14.97. She's selling it for $60, right? So this right here, cost for her is $13.83. She's selling it for $55. So she doesn't have to spend any money out of pocket. She's just playing the middleman, right? So the customer is the end user. She's the middleman, and then the store is the actual shipper. So you, like I said, a certain little stuff that you would have to set up with your shipper, and we go over that in our course on how to make it efficient and proficient for you guys to do this on a more streamlined process. And it gives you notifications on, you know, different things if a variant is missing. So you do have to fulfill these orders manually. So if an order comes through, if I click orders, right, and it lets me know somebody purchased a JK Magical store. And it even gives you some cool little tip videos here. You can click play.
This step-by-step video walks
and watch
you through
these
the
videos, and
process
it'll
of
break down
fulfilling
some more
AliExpress
information. I'm giving you guys just an introduction into this app. So it lets me know that it's shipped. So if I click actions, I can add an order number, but let's say if I click this right here, this most likely is my vendor. So somebody purchased something and I have a connection with this vendor. So they ordered and it's coming from JK Magical Store. So they've already paid on April 18th and fulfilled it. The customer name was Derek Welch, right? So if I click it, this is what they ordered. Up All Night Sleep Romper. They paid $30. They paid $30 for this order from our store. But let me see how much this product actually cost. So if I click the product, this product only cost us $5.25 to $6.47, right? So when she basically made a 25% profit, and it shows you popular items and reviews on items and how often the item is imported in. And it also talks about how many people imported it within the last 30 days. It talks about the material, etc. So you get a lot of good information just by, you know, kind of fiddling around in this back office for drop shipping. So again, you know, it's pretty kind of self-explanatory. If I wanted to search something like flat irons, I can search flat irons and it'll show me all the flat irons. All right, so let's say maybe like beauty and health, bedazzled flat iron. Let's see if this pops up. I don't know if this will pop up. Let me see. Hair tools. All right, so you can just grab a hair tool. You can just add it to the import list, and then you can import it to your store. So like I said, this is just a quick introduction to drop shipping, and then you can always select the help center. The help center gives you a bunch of other tutorials. So be prepared to learn, because the more you learn, the more you earn. So make sure you're educating yourself on all the different facets of your business. So, all right, that's pretty much a quick introduction to drop shipping. Like I said, download Orbolo, and then with Orbolo, you would connect this to your AliExpress account. As you can see, I'm actually, what I'm looking at is a embedded AliExpress store. So basically it's embedded, so you would connect both to your store. All right, that's the end of this video.